So it's important to know how we can understand, how we can find the alphabet from Arabic word. So here over screen you can see there are three easy tricks to read any Arabic words. There are three tricks if we can keep in our mind, we can read any Arabic word. All words of the Holy Quran shall be easy for us. Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
Yes, there are three tricks you can see or three easy first tricks. Can you please read the first one? Read the English text.
In Arabic words, usually alphabets right begin 30%, 40% of its shape along with dots at the beginning or middle of the words. At the end, usually use full alphabets.
Yes. Read two times more this one very much carefully. Then we explain this one. Okay.
Okay.
Ismail, please. Mashallah, you are good boy. Because Alhamdulillah, you listen carefully, you are attentive, and also you respect your parent, teacher. I think, am I right?
Yes.
Yes, once anyone, boys and girls, respect their parents, teacher, everyone's like them, everyone's loves them. Even if you are if you are not my relatives, for example, but since you are attentive to lesson, since you respect the teacher, obviously you are important to me. Obviously I respect you also. I have very much attention to you because Alhamdulillah you are good students, you are reciting the Quran, you are learning, understand?
Yes.
So teachers, they also like parents. Our parents is obviously guardian to us, teachers also. So we obviously listen, respect our teacher, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
If beginning of the lesson every day I ask you how are you, what is the condition of you, everyone. So it's also uh, good behavior if you ask the teacher also the same, how are you teacher, or how are you ustaz, understand?
Okay.
Although if you don't say every day, at times if you ask, this is the good behavior, understand?
Okay.
Yes. Please, can you please read the point one for two times very much carefully?
Okay. In alphabet, in Arabic words, usually alphabets might begin 30, 40% of its shape along with dots and the beginning or middle of the words. At the end, usually use full alphabets.
MashaAllah. Read for the last time.
In Arabic words, usually alphabets right beginning 30-40% of its shape along with dots at the beginning or middle of the words. At the end, usually use full alphabets.
Okay, now let's explain this one. We discuss English language, we write from left to the right. On the other hand, Arabic language, we write from right to the left. So, here saying in the first tricks, in Arabic words, usually alphabet right beginning 30 to 40% of its shape. So, in the example, you can see ba, ta, jim, ha, sin, shin. In Arabic words, in the middle of the words or beginning, this alphabet usually use first 30% of its shape along with their dot. In Arabic word, alphabets usually not use the full its character, full size not use the in Arabic word. Instead, use only first 30% of its shape along with their dots. Understand?
Yes.
So that means Muhammad Ismail. Here, two information is very much important. First of all, how look like the first 30% of it, because if we have the mind, if our brain has the sketch of the each alphabet, we can say how much first 30% of alphabet can be. The second is alphabet. In the Arabic alphabet, I also say dots is very important issues, because although alphabet use the short format, but this short format use with their dots. Dots never omit. Dot never remove from the Arabic alphabet. Understand?
Yes.
So we have to keep our mind also where is the position of the dot of the ba, ta, sa, and each one. If there is no dot, so nothing we should keep in our mind except its writing style. So in the first tricks, it's saying in Arabic word usually alphabet used first 30% of its shape along with its dots, and then in the end of the words, what is saying at the end usually use the full alphabet. So this is easy. We can see alphabet as like as it's the original shape. There is no any changes at the end of the words. Is it clear to you this point?
Yes.
Yes. In the example, you can see like in the single alphabets, ba, how it is look like, but in word, how ba look like, you can see in this word, the book moon. Ba use just half of its real size, right?
Yes.
And then again, I would like to show you another example. Last alphabet, sheen, who has three dots. In the Arabic word, how it's look like. In the words, it's used only first 30% of its beginning size. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes. Then can you please? I would like to. Should we explain it using the Microsoft Paint? If you
Yes.
say to, then I can explain, and then you have to smile just for one time. Okay.
Okay.